Hi my loves, it's Jasmine Rozay and I'm back with another video just showing you my braids. I'm gonna be doing a bob quick weave today. Just gonna use some glue protectant to put all over my hair so that I can protect my hair from the glue. And just gonna use my brush to just brush that all over my head. I'm gonna add my stocking cap. And then I'm going to blow dry that to make sure that the protectant hardens. I'm going to be using Onyx Hair in 12 inches. I think this is probably some of the best hair to use. It's 100% human hair, so they say, but it's good hair for bobs. Just gonna take my first track. I already measured it around my head, and I'm just gonna add some 30-second glue to that and just go ahead and glue that to my head. And I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing till I get all the way to the top. So I finally made it to the top. Yes. I'm just gonna continue to glue the hair on till I get all the way to where my hair is parted out at. So I'm adding my last track to the top, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and cut the stocking cap so that I can reveal my hair and blend that into the weave. Be sure to not cut your hair, which I've done before, but be careful, take your time in doing this part so that you don't cut your real hair off. After I do that, I go ahead and try to cut my bob. I like to use my clippers because they give a more sharp cut, even cut as well. I don't know, it's just easier for me to use the clippers to cut with, except for the back, where I continue to struggle to cut the back evenly. But yeah, I'm just gonna make sure I just cut my hair even all the way around. Okay, once I've got my cut to where I want it, I'm just going to try and go ahead and blend my natural hair out. Just gonna take small sections and flat iron that out. So I like to go ahead and add an extra track in between my leave out, just because I like how it looks when I do that, and it makes it easier to blend when I do that as well. I know some people don't prefer that, but that's just me. You do what you like. This is what I like, and I know how to take the glue out without pulling out my hair, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm just going to continue blending and bump the ends so I can come out like this. Do some lashes on and some clothes. It's Thanksgiving and I was looking a mess. I'm about to meet my boo's dad's family. So if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye.